Companies Act, Section 284, Duty of promoters, directors, and others to cooperate with the company liquidator. Section 284 of the Companies Act, 2013 establishes a legal obligation upon individuals who have been associated with a company to fully cooperate with the company liquidator during the process of winding up. The smooth conduct of liquidation proceedings hinges on the availability of accurate information, records, and assistance from those who were involved in the company's affairs. This provision outlines not only the duty to cooperate but also the recourse available to the liquidator in cases where such cooperation is withheld. 1. Obligation of promoters, directors, officers, and employees to cooperate. The first and foremost requirement under this section is that certain key individuals who are or have been associated with the company are legally bound to extend full cooperation to the company liquidator. These persons include promoters, individuals who were involved in the formation of the company. Directors, both present and past members of the board. Officers, senior personnel who held managerial, operational, or financial authority. Employees, any individuals who have been in the employment of the company, regardless of their position or rank. Their cooperation is essential in helping the liquidator discharge his duties, which may include identifying and taking possession of the company's assets, accessing financial records and operational documents, identifying creditors and contributors, investigating past transactions, assessing liabilities, claims, and obligations, ensuring compliance with tribunal directions. Scope of the duty. This duty of cooperation is broad and continuous, applying both to persons currently involved with the company and those who were associated with it at any time in the past. The expectation is not limited to passive compliance. It includes active and timely assistance in all matters relating to the liquidation process. 2. Liquidator's recourse in case of non-cooperation. If any person who is required to assist or cooperate under the above provision fails or refuses to do so, the company liquidator is empowered to escalate the matter to the tribunal. Filing of an application. The company liquidator may file an application before the National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, seeking appropriate directions. The application must specify the names of the persons not cooperating and the nature of the non-cooperation, such as refusal to provide documents, failure to appear for inquiry, withholding of company property, or any other obstruction in the performance of the liquidator's duties. This mechanism ensures that the liquidator is not left powerless in the face of deliberate delays, evasion, or uncooperative conduct from former company functionaries. 3. Tribunal's authority to direct compliance. Upon receiving an application from the company liquidator, the tribunal is obligated to act and will issue a formal order directing the non-cooperative individuals to comply with the instructions given by the company liquidator, and fully cooperate in the performance of the liquidator's functions and duties. This order of the tribunal carries the force of law. Failure to comply with such an order may amount to contempt of court or invite penal consequences under the Companies Act and other applicable laws. For more details, contact us.